Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and landing in Notifications or Apps and Notifications. Do this now, don't pause. Next, enable Do Not Disturb or a focus profile to stop interruptions while you work. Then scan your recent alerts and pick the top 5 apps that generate noise or badges. Once done, you'll remove permissions for those apps. Make sure to record which ones before you change anything so you can evaluate impact later. You now dive into each app's notification controls, toggle off banners, mute sounds, or remove badges where you don't need them. On Android, use channels. On iPhone, use app notification categories. This gives you granular control, so you silence promos but keep critical alerts. Once done, create priority lists or allow only contacts and set scheduled quiet hours. Also, filter unknown senders and promotional tags, so your inbox. Finish by reviewing the lock screen, status bar, and app icons to confirm alerts are gone. You want a clean visual baseline. Then restart your device so changes apply consistently, and make sure settings persist after any app or OS update. If notifications still leak through, reset app preferences for that app, clear its cache, or reinstall it. If all else fails, use system-level reset for notification settings. This usually fixes stubborn permissions without wiping personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.